Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about why a simple nighttime pumping routine can make your evenings feel less stressful. For many mothers, nighttime can be one of the busiest parts of the day. Between caring for the baby, preparing for the next morning, and finding time to rest, staying organized becomes very important. One helpful habit is to prepare your pump before going to bed. Making sure all the parts are clean and ready to use can save valuable time during the night. Keep your storage containers, water bottle, and cleaning supplies within easy reach. Having everything prepared helps make nighttime sessions smoother and more comfortable. When it's time to pump, try to create a calm environment. Soft lighting and a comfortable chair can help you relax and make the session feel more peaceful. There is no need to rush. A slow and steady routine is often more comfortable than trying to finish as quickly as possible. After your session, carefully store the collected milk in a clean container and label it if needed. Good organization makes future feedings much easier. Take a few minutes to clean your pump before going back to sleep. Waking up to clean equipment in the morning is one less thing to worry about. Remember, every mother's nighttime routine is different. The best routine is the one that fits your lifestyle and helps you feel prepared. With a little planning, consistency, and patience, nighttime pumping can become a calm and manageable part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.